As you grow older, it is prevalent for you to experience some degree of hair loss or thinning. This condition, known as androgenetic alopecia or pattern baldness, is primarily caused by genetic factors and hormonal changes. In this video, we'll delve into the top 8 causes of hair loss and explore practical strategies to reverse it. Body. It's essential to understand how your hair grows. You see, hair growth occurs in cycles, with each strand going through 4 distinct phases. The anagen phase is the active growth phase that can last anywhere from 2 to 8 years, during which the hair shaft emerges from the follicle and continues to grow. After that is the catagen phase, a transitional phase lasting 2 to 3 weeks, where the hair follicle shrinks and detaches from the dermal papilla. And next is the telogen phase, a resting phase that typically lasts around 3 months, where the hair remains in the follicle until the growth of a new anagen hair pushes it out. Finally, the exogen phase involves the shedding of the telogen hair, allowing the new anagen hair to emerge from the follicle and restart the cycle. On average, a person can shed between 50 to 100 hairs per day as part of this regular cycle of hair growth and renewal. Moving on, we must clarify the various types of hair loss beyond androgenetic alopecia. First, sudden patchy hair loss. This hair loss results from attacks on the hair follicles by alopecia areata. Also, excessive shedding, also known as telogen effluvium, occurs when the body experiences a significant stressor, causing many hair follicles to enter the resting phase simultaneously. In addition to these stated examples of hair loss, there are other causes for thinning or hair loss. 1. High stress. Stress can manifest in various ways, affecting both the mind and body. In fact, prolonged stress can lead to anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. Plus, it can disrupt your overall well-being. Over everything, you should avoid chronic stress. It can trigger hair loss through a condition called telogen effluvium. When the body experiences intense stress, it can disrupt the normal hair growth cycle, leading to an increased number of hair follicles entering the resting phase, known as telogen. This causes a significant amount of hair to shed, resulting in noticeable thinning. The stress-induced release of hormones, such as cortisol, can also disrupt the hair growth cycle, further exacerbating hair loss. Besides, stress can lead to behaviors like pulling or twisting hair, known as trichotillomania, resulting in hair breakage and loss. Further chronic stress can compromise the immune system, leading to conditions such as alopecia areata, where the immune system mistakenly attacks the hair follicles, causing hair loss. The impact of stress on the body's overall health can also lead to nutritional deficiencies, particularly 2. Zinc deficiency. Zinc is an essential mineral in numerous bodily functions, including hair growth and maintenance. When the body is deficient in zinc, it can have detrimental effects on the hair follicles, leading to excessive shedding and thinning of hair. Research has shown that zinc deficiency is a common contributing factor to various forms of hair loss, particularly telogen effluvium, excessive shedding, and alopecia areata, patchy hair loss. According to a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, zinc regulates the hair growth cycle. It helps in the proliferation and differentiation of hair follicle cells, as well as the synthesis of proteins and enzymes necessary for healthy hair growth. When zinc levels are inadequate, it can disrupt the normal hair growth cycle. As a result, it causes follicles to prematurely enter the resting phase, leading to increased shedding and thinning of hair. Furthermore, zinc deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of developing alopecia areata, an autoimmune condition that causes patchy hair loss. A systematic review published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that individuals with alopecia areata had significantly lower zinc levels than healthy controls. 3. Hormonal imbalance. Yes. Hormonal imbalance is another common concern that could cause hair loss. Hormones are crucial in regulating various bodily functions, including hair growth. One of the most well-known hormonal causes of hair loss is dihydrotestosterone, a byproduct of testosterone. When dihydrotestosterone levels increase, it can shrink hair follicles, resulting in finer and shorter hair growth, eventually leading to hair loss. This process is often seen in conditions such as androgenetic alopecia or male or female pattern baldness. In women, hormonal imbalances related to pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, and conditions such as polycystic ovary syndrome can also lead to hair loss. These imbalances can disrupt the normal hair growth cycle, leading to excessive shedding and thinning of the hair. Furthermore, thyroid hormones also play a significant role in hair growth and can lead to hair loss when imbalanced. Both an underactive thyroid, that is, hypothyroidism, and an overactive thyroid, called hyperthyroidism, can cause hair thinning and loss. 4. More on thyroid problems. In continuation, thyroid hormones are essential for properly functioning hair follicles, and a deficiency can slow down the hair growth cycle. This can cause the hair to become dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Besides, hypothyroidism can lead to a condition called diffuse alopecia areata, which involves patchy or widespread hair loss. The exact mechanisms behind this link are not fully understood. Still, the autoimmune processes associated with thyroid disorders may also target hair follicles, leading to their premature destruction. Furthermore, thyroid disorders can indirectly impact hair health and growth by affecting other bodily systems. For instance, hypothyroidism can lead to iron deficiency anemia, which is another potential cause of hair loss. Similarly, hyperthyroidism can cause a state of increased metabolism, leading to nutrient deficiencies that may affect hair growth and quality. 5. Digestive problems. The digestive system is critical in absorbing and utilizing essential nutrients for overall health, including hair growth and maintenance. When digestive problems, such as inflammatory bowel diseases, celiac disease, or chronic malabsorption issues, remain untreated, they can lead to nutritional deficiencies that directly impact hair health. For instance, lacking protein, iron, zinc, and other vital nutrients can disrupt the hair growth cycle and weaken the hair strands. As a result, it can lead to excessive shedding, thinning, and brittle hair. One of the primary ways untreated digestive problems also contribute to hair loss is through malabsorption of nutrients. Conditions like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis, which are types of IBD, can cause inflammation and damage the intestinal lining, impairing the body's ability to absorb essential vitamins and minerals from food. This issue can lead to deficiencies in nutrients crucial for hair growth, such as iron, zinc, biotin, and vitamin D. Similarly, celiac disease, an autoimmune disorder triggered by gluten consumption, can damage the small intestine, hampering nutrient absorption and leading to hair loss, among other symptoms. Furthermore, chronic digestive issues can indirectly impact hair health by affecting the body's overall metabolic state. Persistent inflammation, bacterial imbalances in the gut, and the body's response to these conditions can cause hormonal imbalances, further exacerbating hair loss. For example, an increase in inflammatory cytokines or a disruption in the production of thyroid hormones can contribute to conditions like telogen effluvium or alopecia areata. Addressing the underlying digestive problem through proper treatment, dietary modifications, and supplementation can help restore nutrient absorption, reduce inflammation, and potentially reverse or mitigate the associated hair loss. 6. Leaky gut. Leaky gut syndrome, also known as intestinal permeability, occurs when the lining of the intestines becomes more permeable than it should be. As a result, it can allow undigested food particles, toxins, and other harmful substances to escape into the bloodstream. Also, this condition can trigger an immune response and lead to inflammation. The inflammation, in turn, can affect the hair follicles and disrupt the normal hair growth cycle, potentially leading to hair loss. When the gut lining is compromised, it can decrease the absorption of essential nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and proteins, crucial for maintaining healthy hair. For instance, inadequate absorption of nutrients like vitamin D, iron, and zinc can directly impact the hair's health, leading to thinning, brittleness, and hair loss. Additionally, the inflammation caused by a leaky gut can disrupt hormonal balance, which may further contribute to hair problems. 7. Poor blood flow. Poor blood flow can have a significant impact on hair health and growth. When blood flow to the scalp is restricted, the hair follicles may not receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients. Also, poor blood circulation can disrupt the natural hair growth cycle, causing hair to enter the resting phase prematurely and increasing shedding. Without proper blood flow, the hair follicles may struggle to regenerate and produce new, healthy hair, Furthermore, insufficient blood flow can affect the function of the hair follicles and impede the delivery of essential hormones and enzymes that support hair growth. The lack of nourishment and oxygen can weaken the hair roots, making them more prone to breakage and resulting in thinning or balding. In some cases, poor blood flow can contribute to alopecia, where the immune system mistakenly attacks the hair follicles, leading to hair loss. Therefore, maintaining good blood circulation to the scalp is crucial for promoting healthy hair growth and preventing potential hair loss issues. 8. Microbe imbalance, dandruff. The scalp is home to a diverse community of microorganisms, including bacteria and fungi. When something disrupts the balance of these microbes, they can trigger conditions like dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis. These conditions result in an overgrowth of a fungus called malassezia, which feeds on the excess oils produced by the scalp. As malassezia proliferates, it can cause inflammation, itching, and flaking of the scalp. Over time, this chronic inflammation can damage the hair follicles, leading to hair thinning and excessive shedding. Moreover, the presence of dandruff and the associated scalp irritation can create an environment that is conducive to hair loss. The constant scratching and irritation from the flaky buildup can cause physical trauma to the hair follicles, weakening them and making them more susceptible to shedding. Besides, the fungal overgrowth can trigger an immune response, producing inflammatory cytokines that can further contribute to hair loss conditions like alopecia areata. Addressing the underlying microbe imbalance and treating dandruff through proper scalp hygiene, medicated shampoos, and potentially antifungal medications can help alleviate scalp inflammation and create a healthier environment for hair growth. Overall, it's vital to prevent hair loss and grow thicker hair. While the type of treatment for hair loss depends on its cause, there are other occasions where the issue with the hair corrects itself. This self-healing doesn't negate the importance of medical treatments to enhance hair follicles and make hair strands thicker. Similarly, a nutritious diet with essential nutrients like protein, antioxidants, iron, and fatty acids can support healthy hair growth and prevent deficiencies that may lead to hair loss. In addition, making lifestyle changes such as reducing stress, increasing iron and protein intake, and avoiding habits like smoking can help stimulate hair growth and prevent further thinning. It's important to note that the effectiveness of these strategies may vary depending on individual circumstances, and consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable for personalized guidance. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, addressing underlying medical conditions, and using appropriate treatments can contribute to preventing hair loss and promoting thicker hair over time. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Also, ensure you watch our previous videos. Subscribe and turn on your notification button for more contents on health tips.